What's that? You eat food? I don't think so. Today we're finding out how different food is made. And we'll discover, will we still eat it? Starting off with how Pringles is made. I actually really want to know this because how? Obviously. How they make the Pringle go whoop? Huh? Huh? I guess we're gonna find out.
These tubes are ideal containers for stackable chips. The foil will help keep the chips fresh.
Wait, what is
The
this?
streams of paper travel across rollers that coat them with glue.
She's saying glue?
The paper layers twist around a mandrel that's turned by a big belt.
I see no
The
problem with
belt
this.
also presses the glued layers together.
Oh, glue. Okay. Oh, they're making the
Next,
package.
The label paper gets a coat of glue.
Well, I don't care. No. They're trying to stall us. They're trying to hide their Pringles secrets as much as possible. Yeah, well, I can click
They
ahead
use
of the
a ratio
video.
of 1/3 water. A conveyor delivers the mix
There's
to
a
an auger,
potato.
which disperses it.
Nice. Ooh. Okay.
Then it
Ooh.
falls between.
I'm not gonna lie. I kind of want to do a little bit. A little of that. Come on, don't tell me you don't want to do that. Eh? Why can I suck my finger but not my microphone and without getting demonetized? Life is not fair.
Using 4 tons of pressure, they roll the mix into one long potato sheet.
Damn! Giant potato. That's a Mr. Beast video. Right there. I made the biggest Pringle. Let's go.
The potato sheet goes under a rotary cutter that punches out oval shapes.
Oh, well that makes sense.
A device pulls away the scrap dough, leaving flat, uncooked chips.
Huh. Seems like a lot of waste.
This scrap potato dough goes back into the chip-making operation, while the potato chips head into a fryer.
That's amazing. There they go. Look at them. Hell yeah. All right, here we go.
As they
This is
travel
it.
through the fryer, rolling molds make them concave.
Okay.
The concave shape will make the chips stackable.
Did you see that? How? Pringle. No. No, you can't do that.
The concave shape will make...
You can't just... Oh, they teleported with a magic Pringle spell? How does that happen? You can't just edit it. How did the Pringle get on the Pringle conveyor thing?
molds make them concave. The concave shape will make...
Oh, I'm so pissed off. No. All right, I'm all for the Pringle spirity. Pringspiracy. Pringles aren't real, clearly, because they're editing it out. How do they get there? How do they get there? You got dough. It's all smushy. You can't just get that there. That doesn't work. I don't believe this machinery now. I don't believe anything.
The concave shape will make the chips stackable.
Oh, they get each one? That's kind of cute. See? They're back to flat.
The chips spend 11 seconds frying in hot oil. This makes them crispy.
How? How?
They travel under blowers to get rid of excess oil.
See, they're trying to distract us now at this point.
The chips get a coat of seasoning, then do a backflip off one conveyor and onto another.
Did you say they do a backflip? That's amazing. I can't even do a backflip. All right, Pringles are cool. I'll still eat them. They do a backflip. Hell yeah. Oh,
A
nice.
worker inspects the rows of chips.
That one's bad. That one's... I want that job. I really do.
Then it's onto another conveyor that shakes them up to loosen the pack.
Oh, what? Why? Yeah, they were tucked so neatly. Why would you shake them? I don't want shaken Pringles. Backflip only, no shake, please.
They travel over scales to portion them out for packaging.
Okay.
Automated spoons shove the chips into the open ends of the tubes.
Well, I don't know, man. No, Pringles aren't real. I will never eat a Pringle again. They're made with a spell that teleports them, which makes them curvy. Great. Thanks for answering. Nothing! The next one I want to check out is how sausages is made. Because every time you eat a sausage, someone goes, if you knew how that was made, you wouldn't eat it. Oh yeah? Well, today I'm gonna be that guy, all right? Oh, this looks delicious. Let's click on that. Hell yeah.
The cuts they start with are called trimmings.
Nice.
Pieces of meat left over from cutting steaks or pork chops.
The good stuff. Wanna do those? Give me that. Ooh, that looks satisfying.
The trimmings are ground the same way butchers chop
Yo, it's Santa Claus right there. Santa is making all the sausages. I can't believe it.
up hamburger meat by pushing the cuts through grated metal plates.
Yeah. Ew. That looks like hell. Why is it so gray?
Processed chicken
Ooh.
trimmings are added to the ground meat,
This is-
followed by food starch, salt, and other flavorings.
Okay. I know
Because
it's like
people in different regions have different tastes.
a lot of quantity, but seeing it like that looks insane. Aw, man, you spilled like half of it. Fire that dude. I can do a way better job. What is that?
Water is
Look at
sprayed
that.
into the mix, and everything is blended together in a
Oh,
big
now we get the
vat.
goo. Nice. Hell yeah. Give me that goo. I want to eat that goo.
Corn syrup adds a dash of sweetness.
Mmm, a little dash, eh? Fucking waterfall. Okay, now we got some color. All this. Oh, because of the seasoning, right? No, it's still that.
addition-
Dude, that looks straight out of a horror movie. You cannot convince me otherwise. That looks like when the demon transforms into its third form or something.
Addition of even more water helps to disperse the ingredients and make the hot dogs juicier.
Mmm, so juicy.
Another machine then purees the meat batter into a fine emulsion and vacuums
I've
out
seen that
any
image
air.
before. I have not. That was a joke.
Long rolls of cellulose tubing are loaded into the stuffing machine.
Cellulose. Oh, it's a pack. Okay, got it.
It pumps the meat puree into these
Damn!
casings, twisting it every 5 1/4 inches, the length of one hot dog.
This woman knows how to handle
It takes
sausage.
just 35 seconds to make
Damn.
a chain of hot dogs that would span a soccer field twice.
Hell yeah. So fast. It's kind of cool to
The
just
process is
watch,
carefully
honestly.
timed so that a twist always lands on the bar. The
Okay.
racks shunt the hot dogs
Have
through
a shower?
liquid smoke shower, then into an oven with several cooking zones.
All right.
The liquid smoke seeps through the casing and adds flavor to the dogs as they bake.
I didn't know. I thought Marcia was trolling me. I didn't know liquid smoke was a thing. It's a flavoring that makes it taste smoky, but it's liquid. How? How can smoke be liquid? All right. Maybe hot dog isn't real either. I don't know. Hell yeah, toasty boys. Let's go. All right, now it looks more appealing.
Hot out
kind
of the oven, these franks are drenched in cold, salty water to chill them in preparation for packaging.
Uh-huh. Hot dog army
The hot
assemble.
dogs then file down to an
They're coming
unloading
to take
zone.
over the world.
The absence of a black stripe means the hot dog is cooked and ready for packaging.
Oh, so they're not cooked yet? What?
Inside the peeler machine, a tiny knife slits each casing along the top. Then, steamy air blows the casings right off the dogs.
I feel like there's a weird sex
Kill
joke making
700
about
hot
this,
dogs a
and
minute.
I don't know if I want to do it. There they go.
An inspector makes sure the casing has been completely removed.
Whoa.
And that there are no defects
Hey.
in the dogs.
Damn, she's just like a sausage wizard. That one. You want. That's amazing.
Then, it's into a device that looks like a plastic bicycle chain. The sprockets position
Not
the
really.
hot dogs for
What?
packaging.
Okay. All right. Okay. Cool. Yeah, I'll still eat the hot dog. I don't care. I mean, I am pescatarian, so I don't, of course. But fake hot dog, yes. It didn't really gross me out that much as I thought. Even though, I mean, okay, yeah, the goo was pretty gross. Yeah, what the fuck? What am I saying? I want more meat ones. All right, bacon. Got some beatboxing.
Bacon is now processed
Beatboxing
and even
bacon?
pre-cooked in factories.
Hell yeah.
It all starts with a load of pork bellies.
Damn.
They're tossed into a big tumbler.
The bellies go into another belly, eh? That's hilarious.
The action softens them, so it will be easier to remove the skins.
Ew. Oh, so it's
Each
it's
pork
literally
belly
the
goes
belly.
skin side
Okay.
down on a conveyor belt.
I didn't know that for some reason. It's a lot more manual labor to make bacon, eh?
This conveyor takes the pork bellies to a long automated blade that slices the skin away from the meat.
Okay. How?
The skins drop onto another conveyor belt to
Ew.
be processed into pork rinds.
Pork rinds? Ew. I mean, the skin is the tastiest part, but ew, you're eating skin, bro.
The meat pieces head toward a flipping device that turns them backside up. So workers down the line can trim off any remaining pieces of skin.
Bacons also do a backflip before they get eaten. I appreciate that.
Next, they
Always
mix up a
changing
brine
music.
solution which will cure the pork. salt is funneled into a tank of water.
Just a dash of salt. That's all it needs, really.
It's mixed thoroughly until the salt dissolves.
Hell yeah. Enough to kill a man right away.
Then, liquid smoke and other flavorings are added.
Like smoke. Those fuckers. It's not real smoke. What is liquid smoke? I need to know that. You can't just liquefy smoke. It's molasses, vinegar, caramel, color, and salt. What? Chips and sawdust? Excuse me? You're eating sawdust?
Its needles repeatedly inject the curing solution into each pork belly.
Let's go. Stab that shit.
A metal hanger called a comb is pressed into each of the pork bellies.
I've seen
so
those.
They can be hung on a rack.
Yeah. Dude, he's having a time of his life doing this. It's like, hell yeah, this is hilarious.
Then, it's into the drench cabinet for a shower of liquid smoke.
More liquid smoke! Or maybe they hadn't had it yet.
Bombards the meat, it adds flavor and color to the surface.
That's what makes it so red, huh? It's not actually that fresh, it's
the
just
pork
like...
bellies are transferred to a big oven. They'll cook for 5 hours at a low temperature. That allows the flavoring to permeate the meat.
Dude, they cook in there and people walk inside? That would terrify me. I would not want to walk in there.
Here, workers load the meat slabs into chutes.
Hell yeah, they do a little dance. A little jiggle
The
before
chutes
they
sway
go.
back and forth over a blade, which slices the meat into bacon-sized pieces.
Oh. That's kind of funky.
The bacon falls neatly onto a conveyor belt.
Oh, man. Let's go.
As the fat cooks off the bacon, it drains into a trough.
Okay. All right. I think I get it. That's kind of nasty, not gonna lie. I mean, obviously, they don't even show the process of cutting off the belly, which I think would turn me off completely. I mean, I don't eat meat, but whatever. It's stupid. I'm kind of curious how they make, like, fake meat then. Because I know it's just soy or mushroom or something. But I wonder if it's, like, freaky or something.
The first thing I wanted to know was what actually went into the burger.
Yeah.
This is soybeans, and the soybeans have been kind of texturized, and this gives you the high protein content and the nice chew and texture of meat.
Nice. Less fat, high protein, huh? Won't clog up your heart, not give you high blood pressure, heart attacks, you know? So this is the Impossible Burger. I've had it. It's really good, but I can't digest it. Every time I eat the Impossible Burger, I feel like shit. That's beet, right? That's how they do the
always hear
red
people
color.
refer to Impossible as the burger that bleeds. But what people are actually talking about isn't blood, but heme, which is by all accounts the most important part of the Impossible Burger.
That what?
This is the heme section. We're in the heme section. How we produce the heme is that we use fermentation.
So they use some sort of fermentation process to make the red goo. Okay. People don't choose to eat burgers because they are healthy anyway, so who cares if they're healthy or not? I think they should. Why not? So it's not healthier, just environmental friendly. Huh, okay. Interesting. I feel like I learned something here today. Pringles isn't real, and that's it. If you want more videos, subscribe, smash like, and I'll see you bros tomorrow. Brofist. You thought it was dead, but true relevance never really died. Welcome to the first Undead game! Use any item in your inventory and make memes inside Tuber Simulator. Add some of our patented stickers in there. Stickers are emotions. Memes are emotions. Express your emotions with memes! Share them for likes. Share them for love. Get up for free! And who knows? Maybe I'll review your memes. The greatest honor of all time. Full circle, baby! Download it! Make a meme! We need subtitles on this.